Okay, children. So up to now we have discussed an additive identity is 0. Next, multiplicative identity is 1. Then next we are going to discuss about multiplicative inverse. See, same like that, same like in the how we written additive inverse in the previous video. Same like the multiplicative inverse also, but in the additive inverse, if they will do plus, we are taking minus. If they will do minus, we are taking plus. But here, in the multiplicative inverse, so first let us discuss with some examples. See here, then I am taking 5. Then see, when we have discussed about additive inverse, so if you add two additive inverse, what numbers you are taking? If you add the two numbers, you are getting 0. Means in the answer, additive identity you are getting. Same like that, if you take 5, then if you multiply, means we are talking about multiplicative inverse. If you take 5, then this 5 if you multiply with a number, what we should get here? Like additive inverse. Then here the multiplicative inverse is 1. So that's why we have to get 1. So here 5 into, we have to multiply with some number to get 1. Can you say what is that? You think? Right. So here, if 5 is given, just we have to take 1 by 5. This we can say reciprocal. Right. So 1 by 5 I am taking. So see here, 5 cancel, 1 into 1, 1. So if they will give you 7, what we should take? 1 by 7. Because 7 cancel, answer 1 we will get. Suppose if we will take minus 1 by 5, then what we should take? Minus 5 by 1. Because here minus into minus plus we will get 5 cancel, then 1 answer. So here reciprocals we have to take. So if you take A, then how you will get 1? 1 by A. Then if you take 1 by A, then what number we should multiply? So we have to multiply with A. So we will get answer because these both are cancelled. So here, so when a number is multiplying with reciprocal of the number, then we are getting multiplicative identity. So that's why these two numbers are called multiplicative inverse to each other. So generally we can write A into 1 by A is equal to 1 by A into A, that is equal to 1. So here A and 1 by A are both are multiplicative inverse to each other. So these formulas you have to remember. So children, once again, so additive identity 0, multiplicative identity 1, and additive inverse, if they will give positive value, we have to write negative values. If they will give negative, we have to write positive given number. So these conditions you have to remember. So now children, then based on these topics, means these properties of rational numbers, so we are going to discuss about the problems. Just listen, then we'll go through examples. Sometimes they will ask like, just first small examples I am saying. Let's see here. Right. Write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. So the first one is minus 9, the second one is 2 by 5, the third one is minus 11 by 5, then the fourth one is 12. See children, so here 4 problems are there. So for each one, then we have to write additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Both we should write. See that, very easy. So first given that, so first one I am explaining. The first one, given that minus 9. Right, so here first additive inverse, right, that is equal to, or otherwise additive inverse of minus 9 is, how much we will write? Plus 9. Because if you add these two, what you have to get? Additive identity you should get. So minus 9 plus 9, both we are getting 0. So that's why the additive inverse of minus 9 is plus 9. Next, multiplicative inverse of minus 9 is, then what? So we have to write reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 9 minus 9? So we know that 1 by minus 1 by 9. So here minus 1 by 9. See, if you multiply these two, you have to get multiplicative identity. See children here, minus 9 into minus 1 by 9. 9 cancel, minus into minus plus, 1 into 1 1. So the additive inverse of minus 9 is plus 9. The multiplicative inverse of minus 9 is minus 1 by 9. Now once we will see the answer for second question. So here, right, second one. So I'm going to explain second one. Remaining homework you have to do. Solution and given that. Right, 2 by 5. So additive inverse of 2 by 5 is plus 2 by 5 given. Simply we can write minus 2 by 5. Then multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is, so reciprocal, 5 by 2. So this is how to write additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. So this is very important. They will ask for bits also. Then based on this, the problems what we are going to discuss about these topics in the next video.